Going vegan is not for the faint of heart, and I want to tell you about one story in my life that started very sad and dark, but it ended up victorious. Hi, my name is Daniela, the vegan mom, and today I will share a very personal and very difficult story with you. My beautiful daughter Christina was born with Down syndrome and a severe heart defect. The day of Christina's birth was supposed to be filled with pure joy and happiness, and like every other mom, I had hopes and dreams for my child. But instead, my joy took a sharp turn when the doctor came back into the room and told us that Christina was born with Down syndrome. And just like that, my world fell off its axis and completely capsized. I was plunged into a kind of darkness that is hard to describe, a sense of sadness and fear, and a profound sense of loss for the life I had imagined for us. The next few years felt like I was on autopilot, surrounded by a blur of hospital visits, medical professionals, and everyday grief knocked on my door. And on top of it all, Christina, my beautiful baby girl, had to have open heart surgery when she was only 5 months old. I spent countless nights scouring the internet, desperately searching for something, anything that would help Christina battle the huge hurdles that she would be facing as a person with Down syndrome. Most of you are probably familiar with the distinctive look of people with Down syndrome and are aware of the cognitive challenges they face. What you might not know is that people with Down syndrome have a compromised immune system and a compromised anatomy, and Christina is no exception. She is at higher risk for severe respiratory infections, Alzheimer's, dementia, diabetes, weight issues, additional heart problems. The list goes on and on and on. These issues might seem impossible to manage, but with a plant-based vegan lifestyle, exercise, and one other secret ingredient that I will tell you about a little later, she is healthy, she is thriving, and she is very high functioning. I was obviously on a journey of learning and discovery. And after experiencing the nearly miraculous effects the plant-based vegan lifestyle had on my daughter, it became my mission to teach others about the health benefits of the vegan lifestyle. Maybe you have a child with health issues and a compromised immune system, and at times the issues seem impossible to manage. but with a plant-based vegan lifestyle, exercise, and one other secret ingredient, which is no secret at all, and I will tell you about it in a second. Our kids can thrive and be healthy and be high functioning. Now you're probably wondering what that secret is that I have been mentioning. Well, that secret that I have been talking about is the healing power of music. And I know how to apply music because I'm also a professional pianist and a professional musician and piano teacher, and I have incorporated music into my 30-day program. And in my 30-day program, I teach women how to go back to the Garden of Eden and how to even go down the path of the vegan lifestyle and how to have their children and their families go with them. And us women, we are so powerful and strong, and we have the power to influence our friends and families and the world. Just go to my website and make an appointment with me, and I will tell you all about my 30-day program, what's included, and what you can expect. Okay, just go make that appointment. It's important. Bye. Mwah. See you soon.